Are you one of those people with sensitive teeth? You know, the idea of an ice cold drink or a steaming cup of coffee scares you? Well, now there's a new simple treatment that can cure that problem in just a few minutes. Dr. Max Gomez is here to tell us that it involves ozone?
Ozone, that's right. Ozone, guys, is this gas that's made up of 3 oxygen atoms. It can be toxic, though, so it depends on where it is. When it's in the stratosphere, it protects us from deadly levels of ultraviolet radiation. When it's down here at ground level, it's a powerful lung irritant and asthma trigger. But when it's used in the dentist's chair, it can do all sorts of amazing things.
It's something millions of us enjoy every day, a piping hot cup of coffee. But for police officer Michael Magna, that morning cup of joe was something to be dreaded.
It's a shooting pain that goes up through your skull and down by your jaw.
Michael tried everything, special toothpaste, dental visits. The only thing that worked was completely avoiding hot or cold beverages. Then Michael heard that Dr. Jonathan Abenaim was using ozone to treat sensitive teeth. First, he explained where the sensitivity comes from.
The number one reason is because you've had recession. Your roots are now exposed. Right under your roots is your nerve.
The treatment is surprisingly simple. A small ozone generator pipes the gas to a handpiece that bathes a sensitive tooth with ozone. It hurts a little for about 15 or 20 seconds, and then the pain and sensitivity go away.
What the ozone does is it sort of creates a seal on top of your root and allows the tooth to actually heal itself and create a second layer so that it's much thicker and it doesn't hurt you as much.
So it's been 5-10 minutes since you had your ozone treatment. Hot coffee? Try that.
Absolutely. No problem. Feels good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about some cold water?
Sure. No problem.
No problem. All right. Michael will use a special high-calcium toothpaste for a couple of weeks to completely seal the tooth, and then he should be cured. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes and only costs about $50, but it's usually not covered by insurance. And ozone also, they're using it to kill the bacteria in cavities, in some cases even being able to avoid drilling. It helps the teeth whitening, bleaching work faster. It's actually pretty neat stuff.
Any dangers to ozone?
Well, if you breathe it in, but that's why you saw, I don't know if you saw, there was a second tube in there so that while the ozone's going in, bathes a tooth, and then it's being sucked right out, so you're not inhaling
Hopefully.
the ozone. That's right. Yeah, it's not good to breathe it in.
Right.
So that's why they're just sucking it right out. So safe, quick, easy.
Wow.
Who knew?
Yeah.
Yeah, who knew?
Bring on the hot coffee.
There you go.
Thanks so much, Dr.
And
Max.
in the summertime, we get air quality alerts, and they're
Right.
often a result of excess ozone because it can be people that have asthma, it's nasty. So that's something the weather department takes over. But who knew our teeth would benefit?
Who knew?
I think that's very interesting.